Hi all, I hope you are doing well. I'm Gaetan from Gage Labs, and in today's video, I would like to talk a little bit about the WeChat and about the fact that our software stack is now compatible to WeChat as a payment method. So, meaning we offer the possibility to end customers to pay via WeChat on the one end, and on the other end, the receivers don't have to have a WeChat account at all to receive the payments. And moreover, the payment can be split among many receivers, and also doing that, we have low commissions around. So now let's take one example accordingly to see how it works. And here we have a test platform, we have a payment in demo mode, and we can use in this demo mode WeChat, but you can also use Alipay. We have implemented Alipay in the past and show it, or we can use a credit card or MasterCard that will be also being shown as you see here accordingly. And here we can right jump out into the WeChat interface, barcode interface, but you can also have other interface, so app interface, and also you can use our software stack within your app, iOS and Android accordingly. Basically, and here let me please emphasize again that you use it with the lowest fees accordingly for WeChat. You don't need a WeChat account at all, and you can automatically split the payment among many receivers. So that's it for these videos. Thank you very much for your time, and just let me know if you have some questions. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you.